What's the meaning of approved school? Approved school. Approved school.
Approved school. Approved school. An approved school was a type of institution in the United Kingdom that was established in the 1930s to provide education and training for young offenders. These schools were run by the state and were intended to reform young people who had been convicted of crimes. The goal was to provide them with both an academic education and practical skills that would help them to reintegrate into society and avoid reoffending. Many of these schools were later replaced by other types of youth detention centers, but they played an important role in the history of juvenile justice in the UK.